Hello, this is Taylor with Rentals in SF, and this is a video tour of 1106 Taylor Street. Okay, fantastic. This is located in the highly desirable Nob Hill neighborhood, and there's Huntington Park. It's only half a block away. Grace Cathedral, so amazing. Masonic Center, when it opens back up, you're going to be able to walk to see your favorite concerts and comedy. Only 8 minutes walk to Trader Joe's, which is my favorite grocery store. And look at this, only 12 minutes walk to Union Square, and Market Street's obviously just really close to that, and the financial district as well. Okay, it's a gorgeous day in San Francisco. People are enjoying the park. You will be enjoying the park as well because it is so close. And this is just an absolutely beautiful park, a beautiful day right on top of the hill. And read a book, take your laptop, surf your phone, Instagram, Facebook, whatever you want. Just take a blanket and just enjoy yourself. Okay, I'm just taking a slow walk. Oh, look at that person enjoying the grass right there. Okay, so I'm just taking a slow walk just to show you how close it is to all the action. So the unit is actually located, the building is located just beyond this intersection right here. And we're going to cross the street in just one moment. Let's just take another look over there. And of course the Fairmont Hotel is located on the other side of the park. Lots of activity and people walking dogs and strollers, and look at that, big fancy cars. Beautiful. Okay, here's the building right there. It's that gray blue building. And let's take a closer look right there. Here's the street, and there, by the way, there's a wonderful cafe just a few homes down. And here we are on the exterior. We're going to walk right in. We're going to walk in through this iron gate. This unit's located on the first floor. Well, some people call it the second floor, I guess. And right here, it's 1106 Taylor. You'll notice there's a nice, beautiful terrazzo entrance. And then there's only 3 units in the building. One below, one above. But immediately when you walk in, you're going to notice the beautiful hardwood floors, gorgeous walls, lots of light. This is the front-facing living room. Look at this beautiful tray ceiling. Gorgeous light. This unit is immaculate, and actually it still has to be touched up, and the bathroom's going to be painted as well, but it is absolutely immaculate. So close that door right there. Now, this is an abandoned private elevator that goes down to the first floor, so those doors are locked off, just FYI, so that does not go anywhere. But here is the restroom, plenty of shelf space. There's an additional shelf and a drawer on this side right over here, and a window and a skylight. There is an exhaust fan right there. And let's see here. Oh, the foyer is just absolutely fantastic. It's just a huge foyer. There is a coat closet right here. This is the bedroom. Nice sized bedroom. That back staircase is only accessible by really one other unit. Technically 2, but only one person will be using that. And that's where you would go to trash and recycling. Goes down to, and also goes down to the laundry room, which we will be going down to. That is the closet right there in the bedroom. And look at this dining room. Oh my goodness. Look at that chandelier. Another tray ceiling. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, here is the kitchen. Does include a pantry, lots of cabinetry. It's a little bit of a cozy kitchen, but nonetheless, there's a solid surface countertops, a nice dishwasher. That is a gas range. Lots of cabinets, open shelving. 2 nice double hung windows, single undermount sink. So it's cozy but completely functional, and look, love dishwashers. One day I will have one. Okay, look at this built-in oven, very clean. It's a little retro style, but sometimes those actually work much better because they have great insulation. Okay, here is the back steps, and that goes down to our trash, recycling, and compost. It also goes back to our laundry room, and there's also storage. Oh, there's a little garden in the back. Please water those plants if you so desire. Keep them alive, please. Also, the owner is going to hire a building cleaning person to make sure all the steps and everything are perfectly clean. So that's going to be great. Okay, fantastic. By the way, downstairs there's 2 sets. There's 2 washers and 2 dryers. So that's pretty amazing for only 3 units in the building. And by the way, they are not coin operated. So just that's a bonus. And then here is the storage. So nice big storage space, and you can actually store a lot of things down there. And that's in the basement. And that's what the basement looks like. And here is that little garden area. All right, that concludes our tour. Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck in your home search.